Is it a good time to buy a property in France right now?
It is actually, because
Okay.
the market has just changed.
Right.
So the property prices are starting to go up, probably 2 and 3%, depending on what region you're in. The last maybe 2-3 years have been quite slow because of the interest rates. Because the interest rates at one stage for the French were like 1%, which means the French weren't selling because they're now up at 3.5%.
Right.
However, 3 years on, they're starting to move again. So it is a really good time. It is a really good time, particularly for the Brits, because the pound is strong at the moment as well. There's a lot of new stuff coming onto the market, which hasn't been on the market for the last 3 years. So it is a really good time. And before the property prices go up, they never go up hugely, but they are on the rise 2 to 3% in most areas.
What's the most common mistake you see people make when buying a French property?
They buy the wrong location. That can be wrong. I would always suggest people go in the winter months to see the area. Because if you go in the summer, everything's fantastic, everything's open, the restaurants are open, etc. Or they buy somewhere because they love the house, but it's rural and they don't realise that you need to go to the hospital, it's an hour's drive.
Oh, yeah.
So location is a massive one. And obviously, be near a city. I'm in the middle of the countryside, but the city's only half an hour away. So if I need a hospital, it's half an hour.
That's a
all
good
sorts of
compromise.
things. So you can have the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
But we definitely research the location, because we do see a lot of people that think they want to be rural, don't want any neighbours, but they don't realise how big France is.
Yeah.
And no neighbours could be 10 kilometres away.
Rural in France is really
And then they all move back into little towns and villages because they're too isolated.
Yeah.
And they don't integrate, they don't meet people, and then they become quite on their own. So I would always say location probably.
Yeah.
If you
That's
don't
really
know
good
the
advice.
area, go to the area and go in the winter and see what it's like to really live there in the winter months.
What's one myth about buying in France that you'd like to bust?
Well, there used to be a lot of bad publicity that the French didn't like the Brits.
Right, yeah.
Or any nationality for that matter. And I would say that is a big myth, because
It is, yeah.
in most of the cosmopolitan towns, people would speak English anyway, like in Côte d'Azur and areas like that. In rural France, it's local farmers, and it's, and it's very rural, and they're very local, and they don't speak English. But I think so people think they hate us, or they hate the British, or they hate that. Actually, it's the total opposite.
Yeah.
Because we buy the properties, we renovate them. We bring children into the areas. The schools keep open, so the farmers' children can go to the schools. The shop keeps open because there's enough trade to go through. And so the French actually love us in the rural areas, because we're keeping things alive, and we're keeping the properties. We're giving more value to their own properties because they're renovating old falling down barns and houses like that.
Yeah.
So the myth that the French don't like us coming in is actually the opposite. They absolutely love us. And they love entertaining you as well. And they love, finding out it's a new person in the village. They might have just been in the village for their family for 100 years, and these new people, and they're really inquisitive. And as long as you can try and speak a little bit of French and learn the French from your neighbours, that I think is a big myth, that they don't like us. They love us.
I
They love
so
us.
agree with that. What advice would you give to people looking to buy a French property in 2026?
But I'd definitely research. I mean, France is huge, as the biggest country in Western Europe. So I would definitely research your area. Definitely do recce trips there at different times of the year. If you've got time, if you're looking to buy now, then obviously do your recce trips now. But if you're looking in a year's time, do all your recce trips this year. And then buy towards the end of the year, because location is so important. Amenities, what amenities there are around, and be very careful on renovation, because renovation costs, the properties are really cheap and everyone thinks this is great, I'll spend 50 grand to make. You're never going to spend 50 grand. You're looking at more 100, 150. And so in the wrong area, you may never get your money back, because if it's in a low priced area and you spend 150, you might not get 150 back. If it's in a high priced area, you're still going to spend the same money, but you will get your money back. So again, I would say, look at the location, look at what properties are selling for in those areas. If you're doing renovation, will you get it back on a resale? And also location again, where have you got everything that you're going to need, but to live there really.